Hey, it feels like there is a new front-end AI tool every week now. But what if one actually cared about the taste? Look, I love what Lovable, Bolt, and V0 are attempting. But let's be honest, it's all starting to look the same. AI slop, grids everywhere, too much colors, and zero story. That's what with GPTrush 2.0 we are attempting to change this. We get you from idea to initial UI draft faster. And then our AI agent kicks in, audits the design, improves the layout and the storytelling. It's like having a design founder inside the browser, one that knows how to ship a product with a great UX. Check out GPTrush.io, build a UI that slaps. And hey, if you still feel the design is sloppy, drop your feedback. We will fix it and we are iterating fast. Link in the comments below.
Nice man, perfect.